Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to today's recap. Today I didn't take anything. Going into today I was bullish. Like there's not much to say. Um, yeah, let me get into it. Market open. I'm not gonna lie, there was a pretty nice trade around market open. But I don't know. It's a bit risky, especially since it was just market had just opened. But pretty nice. It was pretty much this week here. We have an obvious strong liquidity being this high here, which we were super close to, which was previously high. Um, as you can see, we were edging it. We come down. We put in this 1 minute wick out of a 15-minute rally gap. You could have taken this. I don't know, maybe like entry around here or whatever. That was pretty nice. Mm, Tap it out. I don't know if it. Yeah, you could have definitely gotten. Yeah, 1 to 5, 1 to 6. So really nice trade right there. Didn't take this. Yes, I don't know. Super close to market open. We could have easily seen lower. Yes, there's a lot of volatility at market open, so I wasn't really a big fan of it, but kind of forward tested it. Uh, and yeah, then I was still bullish. I still want to see higher, but there was this 1 hour order block here, which ended up sending us lower, and it worked super nicely, but it's just an hourly order block. I guess that there's this wick here as well, which we etched. Um, have my retainer on right now, so if I'm talking a bit like even worse than usual, it's because of that. Um, but yeah, this hourly order block, there's no liquidity or anything. 15-minute order block as well. It's just an order block. That's all there is to it. And I was bullish. But it worked. So, I'm not mad or like pissed that I didn't take it. Like I wouldn't take this ever again. Or like not ever again, I didn't take it. But I wouldn't take this in the future either. But yeah, there was an entry trigger as well, which worked. Bro, look at that. 5 point stop and we dumped, bro. So that worked super nicely. Uh, yeah, again, not something that I would take. I was still bullish. And honestly, here, I was so close to taking an IFG entry just because longs to me were so obvious. Like, we ended up generating all of this liquidity. We had 10 a.m. open lower um, into this 50-minute rally up, and we got an SMT here with this low. So this IFG, if we had gotten it, would have been so obvious to me. But yeah, we then dumped. There was no 5 minute RV. Maybe I would have taken a 5 minute RV if we had gotten it. Not really sure. But we ended up dumping and we ended up going towards this 15-minute wick here. Also a 5 minute wick, and we got an SMT here with a 930 low. Uh, but yeah, there was no really good entry trigger. Uh, we ended up just displacing higher, sadly no entries at all. But I was looking at this 5 minute RV. I think it was, yeah, this one, which was also a 15-minute RV. Uh, so I was looking at possible longs out of it. Oh, and a 1 minute order block. Um, I ended up going kind of far away from it, so didn't really love it anymore. And we just chopped so much, bro. I think this here's a 5 minute order block. But bro, like nothing here was high quality to me, honestly. And I said, okay, maybe I could short 10 a.m. key open, but once I thought of this, I said, bro, I'm just thinking of bullshit. I'm probably gonna end up forcing a trade, so I just hopped off. Like this, bro, I'm fucking bullish, so why would I even take shorts out of 10 a.m.? And also 10 a.m. did what? Open lower, so I should be looking for longs. I'm bullish. Like no reason for me to take any shorts here. Like I didn't put limits. I just realized, okay, there's nothing high quality for me, and I'm just probably gonna. I'm thinking of forcing a trade, so I just hopped off, bro. Simple as that. Um, but then this here, bro, we ended up edging the CE. We ended up respecting. Yo, why is it not letting me draw on yes? Okay, it's not letting me move it either, bro. It's been tweaked down recently. Alright, whatever. Uh, Not respecting the CE of the 1 minute order block though. But nothing I love there. Let me see, maybe if you had done something like this, possibly. I think something like this would have been kind of nice. Like C of the 1 minute order block right there, and also covering OT levels of the 15 minute and 5 minute RV. Uh, and then having a take profit at a 125 or maybe even here. The only thing is that there's not we're just really choppy, so there was not enough volume to go all the way up there. Then we ended up going down, so technically this is EL for the 15 minute RV. We edged it once again. Let me see. Nah, it's pretty much mitigated. Because you wanna have it. How many ticks? Yes, 2 ticks, so that's pretty much mitigated. Um, that's where you should have had it. 10 point stop would have been nice. And it delivered for 33 points. 30 points, basically. 1 to 3. And then it would have been probably. I would have probably trailed. I would have probably trailed to this low. So I don't know. But yeah. And again, nothing really good today. And then I don't know what this was. Yeah, I think I was looking at PM, but we have a FOMC tomorrow, so that's why we just chopped. We're generating liquidity. Although I think we ended up taking, yeah, ended up taking most of it right now during overnight session. Um, but yeah, this was an hourly RV that I drew during PM. I don't think it'll hold though if we even go back down, just because it is a 4 hour pre gap here. So yeah, tomorrow I think that we're probably gonna pump. I don't really see any. We could maybe have something like this, but FOMC could send us higher, hopefully, um, and get us out of this range that we're back in again. But yeah, we'll see. I'm not really expecting much during AM tomorrow, just because as it is FOMC. So yeah, we'll see though. I'll hop on, but I can't stay on the full session. I might have to leave. So yeah, that's it for today, and peace out.